So hey guys, this is Mr. Indian Knight here, and in this particular video I'm going to show you that how you can activate RCS on your Android device without root. So first of all, RCS is a simple rich communication service which is going to replace SMS in future. RCS is like iMessenger on iOS devices, etc. In RCS, you can send your messages via Wi-Fi or anything else. And it is super handy and it may replace WhatsApp, etc. if you start using it. So this is a very useful thing, and in this particular video, I'm going to show you that how you can activate it. So first of all, you have to go to Play Store and search for here you have to search for messages, and here you have to enroll for beta program and upgrade it. Make sure you have enrolled in beta, as we are going to use beta version 5. Again, after that you have to search for carrier services and just again update this also, or if you don't have, download this, and you have to search for activity launcher. To also install this. I have already installed this. Again, after doing those things, you have to head over to your properties of messages and just clear its storage. Again, after doing that step, you have to again go to storage, other apps, and here you have to search for carrier services here, and you have to clear the storage also, and you have to just close everything. Now go to activity launcher. It would be loading. As it is loaded, you have to go to messages. It should be in M here, you can see, and you have to search for RCS. Set RCS like this one. Here you can see you have to just hit it, and it will come in this screen. You have to just set ACS URL to RCS ACS prod us.sandbox, and you have to set OTP pattern. This would be only available option, and you have to hit apply. After doing it, you have to close everything, and you have to again head over to message option, and you have to force stop it. After doing it, you have to just open it, and here you can see this will come. You have to just hit upgrade now, and you have to select next, and it will take some time, and this will be activated. So let's wait, and here you can see excuse the wait, and done. This is done, and let's see it's here. As I'm going to just send some messages. So earlier it was not easy to send some photos via SMS, MMS. So in this particular video I show you how to activate it, and this is a demo. Like I send here hi, and you can see if it is also activated on my another device. Here if the other is typing, you can see here typing icon comes, and it is also super handy to send some type of photos. Like here I'm sending a photo, and it will come without any error. You may see errors in getting photo from SMS, etc. But with the help of this RCS service, the photo will come super clear, no issues. And this is the RCS. And once it is activated in every smartphone, this may replace WhatsApp if you want to. So thank you guys for watching Mr. Indian Night. This is Ankush Om. Bye.